Do you struggle to let go of clutter in your house? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to review the book, What is Your Clutter Costing You by Robyn Reynolds, here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And like many of you, I enjoy reading books all about getting organized and decluttering. But there's a lot of them out there, so I'm going to make it a little easier for you. And today we are continuing our series on some of my favorite books that deal with getting organized. And this one is brand new. It just came out this past year. It's called What is Your Clutter Costing You? How You're Paying for Clutter, Even If You Already Own It by Robyn Reynolds. It came out in 2025. It is, again, one of my favorite kinds of books, a short one, but full of great information. It is a quick, easy read at 151 pages. I actually read it on the airplane going on my trip over winter break. Robyn Reynolds is a fellow certified professional organizer. She started her company, Organize to Harmonize, way back in 2008. I can relate to that. That's the year I started my own organizing business. And Robyn has been quoted or featured in the Huffington Post, Real Simple Magazine, CNN, MSN, the Washington Post, and numerous other publications. You may have also seen her on the TV show Hoarders. So, what's the main idea of Robyn's book? Well, her book helps us understand both the financial and emotional costs of having clutter, including things like missed appointments, late fees, emotional strain, and burnout. Robyn empowers you to take back control of your space and ask, is all this stuff worth it? It's a powerful, inspiring book for everyone feeling overwhelmed by clutter and looking to make a change. And at the time of this recording, we are in the best month of the year for professional organizers. We call it Go Month. January is known as Get Organized Month. So it's the perfect time to really take a hard look at your situation and see about making some changes. Robyn says to her clients that there are four costs of having clutter. Clutter affects us in four ways: our time, our space, money, and our energy. And she spends a significant amount of time in the book taking these four costs and breaking them down with lots of different examples, including client anecdotes of her own. I'm just going to share one brief idea with you for each of these four costs that she talks about. So she lets us know that over the course of our lives, we'll spend 153 days just looking for misplaced items. So that's an example of how clutter costs us our time. Clutter also costs us with our space. Clutter can affect your socialization, just as one small example. When someone's home is cluttered, they may retreat from their friends and not want anyone to come over to see their house. Clearly, clutter can cost us money in many ways. And during the course of that part of the book, Robyn talks about a whole host of ways that clutter costs us money, including late fees on our credit cards, buying things in duplication or multiplication that we didn't need to, but we did it because we didn't realize we already had those items. And the true cost of renting a storage unit. Oh, can write a whole book on that myself, but that's for another day. And energy. So if you are able to work on decluttering your space, it can really have a positive effect on our mood and our energy levels. So I encourage you to check out this book and really take a hard look at your situation and start thinking about making a positive change. If you want to see my list of recommendations for organizing books and products, please visit organizingmagic.com/resources. And while you're at it, I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.